Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can log out Facebook account on your device. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step to take now to log out your Facebook account is to tap on your Facebook app to open it. So let me tap on my Facebook app right away. So guys, now you can see I've opened my Facebook app. Here's the home page of my Facebook account. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on your Facebook profile image. You can see there on the right hand side, it's being juxtaposed with the menu icon with the three horizontal bar. You can see there on the right, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under this menu section now, what you have to do now is to scroll down. So let me scroll down. So guys, you can see where it is written log out. For you to log out with your Facebook account, you have to tap on it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on log out. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Save your login info. You will save the login info for Emmanuel Chukwemeka, so you won't need to enter it next time you log in. So guys, what this means is that Facebook wants you to save your login details so that whenever you want to log in into this account again, you won't have to input it yourself. You will just log in automatically even without inputting the login info or details. So guys, let me tap on save right away. So guys, now you can see the next step, log out of your account. So guys, now what you have to do now finally is to tap on log out. So let me tap on log out. You can see it there. So guys, now you can see it's logging me out. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can I see I've logged out my Facebook account on this device. So if I want to log in into another account, what I have to do now is to tap on login into another account. Or if I want to log in into the same account again, what I just have to do is to tap on it, then I'll be able to log in into the same account. So guys, you can also see down there where it is written create new account. So after logging out of your Facebook account, if you want to create a new account, you can do that right here. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can log out of any Facebook account on your device. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.